everyone. This is Janak from the Science Joy Lab. I'd like to congratulate all the kids that took part in my experiments and had a wonderful time creating the experiments, working with the experiments, and I'm sure you guys did too. We have a lot of great things lined up for you guys, both this year and the next year coming, and I'd like to get started with my small presentation that I've made. So, as Rabindranath Tagore once said, the highest education is that which does not merely give us information but makes our life in harmony with all its existence. Now, how often do we find an education system that focuses on harmony with existence? In my schooling years, I have found that the Montessori school does provide this kind of union between education and reality, but I still feel there is a gap, and that gap needs to be filled with stories, information, techniques, skills, and fun. So, what I've basically designed is working with your child's mental wellness as well as education and physical wellness. So, we in the coming year will be focusing on science, basic yoga and meditation, and Ayurveda. Education is meant to free your child's creativity, sharpen their intellect, and empower their curiosity. Health should be at our fingertips and second nature, and physical fitness be our very way of existing a long and prosperous life. With our paid sessions, you will get a holistic plan that is delivered to you via our Google Classroom. Members will get a chance to interact with our team of experts and hear from them firsthand on leading developments and practices that will make your child achieve the best possible versions of themselves. So please click on the link that follows and register with us. We are available at the following numbers for any clarification.